We're still working on the service for this Ferris, and I'm going to show you how we change the hydraulic filters that are in it. Okay, so we're underneath the machine here, and we've lifted up the machine, put it on jack stands, and pretty much finding a safe place to work. So over here, the filter's here underneath this housing, and this housing's held on with a couple of screws. I see there's one there, and there's one, where the heck did it go? I'm at a different angle, I can't see it. Oh, there it is, way over there. So let's take this one off first. Now your make and model might be different than this, but they don't always have covers on them. Here, on the newer models of the Ferris, I've noticed that they incorporate the pump and the motor in one unit instead of having hoses going all over the place. And in doing that, they've had to go with 2 reservoirs instead of 1. There it is over there. I spilled some oil on this and it's still dropping, which is kind of cool. You can, okay, with these, I don't like to use power tools or torque wrenches or not torque wrenches, impact guns or anything like that. So there's the little wee filter. So that one's going to come off, and we're going to have to catch all the fluid that's in there. I'm going to leave it hanging there until it drains, because when I take this off, it would shoot straight out and onto the tire. This way, at least, I'm containing the mess. So we're going to let that drain. And while it's draining, I'm going to take the cover off the other side. Hey, how are we doing here? Okay, that's better. Now we can just finish taking it off. Okay. Okay, so we lube up we get the filter, and again, don't mess around with these filters. Go right to the dealer, get the recommended filter for this hydraulic system, and you're not going to have any problems. You lube up the gasket and get this on by hand. Oh, it doesn't feel perfectly good, eh? Nope, it's not. Not perfectly straight. It's an awkward angle. Okay. If it doesn't spin easy, you're going to cross thread it. So it's got to be easy, all the way easy. All right. And then again, only tighten by hand. Don't put a wrench on these ones either. Right? Because once they heat up, they expand and the seal just gets stronger. Okay, that's going to make me happy. I'm going to wipe up all of this oil so that when the operator goes to use it and pulls away, he's good. Don't want him to see a puddle of oil underneath and then get worried that something's leaking. And this way, if he does see a puddle of oil underneath, he's going to know that something's leaking, and then we can address it. Okay. Excellent, excellent. Okay, I guess we're going to put the cover back on. So up here on top are the reservoirs for the fluid, and we're going to take those off. We're going to add the fluid to it. Make sure you add the fluid that's recommended by the manufacturer. You don't want to mess up. Put something not compatible in there. Okay. You can see down, right down here, there's a low and there's a high. So this mark down here, that's where we fill it when it's cold, the bottom mark. So it's going to take a bit because the motor's empty, the pump's empty, everything's empty. Okay, so I've overfilled them because it doesn't want to drain down, and it won't drain down until the motor's running. Our hydraulic levels are mid, which is okay. I can hear a bit of air in the system, so I'm going to try and do a purge. And most times purging is simply done by running the machine. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with a friend. And thanks for watching Odd Jobs.